Hey guys, Monica AI is like having a personal assistant for all your tasks. Just sign up, set up your preferences, and Monica helps you organize everything from managing your schedule to sending reminders and tracking goals. It's super intuitive and saves time so you can focus on what really matters. So, hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Monica AI. So, the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into Monica like that. Monica, and then you click over enter. Then you'll find here the first one. You click over it and you will find the home pages you can see, which is this one. So first, let's know what is Monica. Monica AI is like your personal digital assistant that helps you stay organized. It keeps tracks of your tasks, reminds of you of important things, and helps you manage your schedule all in one place, making life a bit easier. Alright, so let's get started right now by clicking over add to Chrome. It's free and you have just to add to Brave to get started with Monica and have it in your home page or in your home computer, right? Or you can just sign it up by clicking over sign in the top right, and then you find a page which is this one. You click over sign up for free and then you choose which option that you want to sign in up with, if it's Google or email, or also we have sign it up with Apple. I choose here this one, or it's better to choose also Google, so you choose the option that you want actually. Then you once you add your email address and your password and your nickname, you'll find a page which is the home page, and this is how it looks, Monica. Alright, so here we have it right now. So first let's just ask for something here and let's just know what is his specific and his characteristics of this platform. So let's just ask him something. What it can do with, and then I will click over enter. Here we have here the questions. So to effectively start achieving a goal, follow the steps, define your goal, break it down, create a plan, stay motivated, and we have track progress, seek support, stay committed. Then let's just ask us something else, which, or let's just say, what is the difference between, what is the difference, and this is the question, what's the difference between ChatGPT and Monica? And then I will just click over here and here we have send, and we have the purpose of each one, the customization, the interaction style, the capabilities as well. So we have ChatGPT can handle a variety of queries, engage and open-ended conversations, and assist with creative tasks. Then we have Monica AI, could be optimized for certain tasks such as personal assistance or customer service. We have the interaction style, customization. For example, we have ChatGPT here offers broad responses based on diverse training data. We have Monica AI might be customized for specific tasks or industries, providing more focused assistance. Alright, so this is how you can ask Monica and start talking with Monica. Also, we have here for AI search and the quick search of on any topic for concise answers, and we have other options again. So first let's just discovering other options that we have here in the left. For example, we have here bots, but this one you'll find here recommended if you want to write an agent, and also if you want to other options like we have travel planner, website cooperation, email generator. Then we have bedtime stories for children, snap solver, and document assistant. Also you can select here the niche that you want, for example of marketing, if you want to hear product, education, developer, productivity, models, design, and we have research, lifestyle as well. Alright, then we have also here search. About this one here we have the discovering things. For example, we have new COVID-19 variant discovered, and we have Nobel Prize winners 2023, impact of UAW strike on economy. Then we have latest on Israel-Hamas conflict. What is golden rice? Google, and it's just here the search that you will find, so you can just ask whatever you want here. Also we have here read, you can just upload here the files, or you can just enter URLs like YouTube or Medium. and then you get it started. Also, we have here the option of write, and about this one you have just to select if you want to compose. You have just first to select the length, if you want a short, medium or long format as well, tone and output language, right? Then we have here apply, and we have also here the option of grammar, and we have here some suggestion and the right. Then we have also translate here. You have to select the language that you want and the translate service, as you can see. Then you enter a translate. For example, here let's just select, and for example, children. For example, children. Or for example, child. Then I will click over translate, and here we have the translate that we found in French, child, and we have in Google Translate and friend. We have booklet. You have just to select the one you want. Also, we have here, as you can see, we have children and we have the same things, so it's the correct one. All right, so that's it right now. And we have also here AI art. But this one you have just to describe the picture, characters, scene, and style your image, and you'll find it here. For example, here player play with, or player, and for example Golden State Warriors. And then you'll find your pictures here, as you can see. Also, we have your toolkit. About this one, you have just to study for a chat with PDF. You have easily get intelligent summaries and answers for your document. AI resume scanner PDF to Word, PDF to GPG, OCR PDF, or we have AI resume checker, invoice scanner PDF to PNG, PDF to PPT. Also, we have your image tools, AI tools. So we have here first things you can just get started with the one you think it's better or the one you need actually. Alright, so right now you have just to choose the one you want. For example, we have here chat with PDF, easily get intelligent summaries and answers for your documents. You have here resume scanner, quick candidate assessment and interview questions, PDF to Word, convert your PDF to Word documents. Then we have here PDF to GPG, convert each PDF page to spread, GPG file, OCR PDF. So you can just choose the one you want, and then you get started with this. All right, then we have your memo. You have what's here in mind, and you start talking with memo. All right, here we have the option that you have to write here, and that's it with this one. So Monica AI is a powerful tool that simplifies your life by helping you stay organized, manage tasks, and track your goals. Once you are set up, it's easy to use and adapts to your needs, making it personal assistant that works for you. Give it a try and let Monica handle the details so you can focus on what matters most. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.